Today we're gonna make lentil soup. It's my kids' all-time favorite. It is packed with protein, has a lot of fibers and key minerals like magnesium and iron and folate. Let's start cooking. So the ingredients we need for this soup is half a cup of orange lentils, half a cup of green lentils, half a cup of barley, 3 small carrots, 3 zucchinis, 2 to 3 small yams, 1 onion, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, salt, pepper, cumin, and grapeseed oil. We also need broth, could be either chicken or vegetables. So now we're gonna start with the lentil soup. We're gonna first saute the onions with some of the grapeseed oil. Let it get a bit golden color before we add the rest. After the onions got cooked for a little bit, we add our garlic. When they're both cooked for a little bit, probably approximately for about 5 to 10 minutes, we add the lentils and the barley. Next thing, I usually use boiled water just because it makes the whole process faster. I'm pouring the boiled water into the pot. So now that the lentils, onions, and barley been cooked for about 45 minutes, I'm gonna add the chicken broth. I add about 3 of those liquid packets to it since it's a pretty big pot that I'm using. For people who like the vegetarian option of it, they can just add vegetable broth instead of the chicken broth. This is the yams that we shredded, the carrots, the zucchini, and then the cumin, as much as you like as far as flavor, a little bit of black pepper, and salt. Now I'm gonna stir it all up. Now we cook it for another 30 minutes with the vegetables. So now that we added the vegetables and we covered everything with water, we're gonna let it cook for another 30 minutes. So now that the soup has been cooked for about 1 hour and 15 minutes, it was 45 minutes just the lentils, and then we added the vegetables for another 30 minutes. It looks like it's ready. It smells delicious. So grab a ball and enjoy.